I found this today at a garage sale. It is a Montgomery Ward signature model SRT-48255A, and it says code 46X. 2.1 amps, 115 volts, 60 cycles, Montgomery Ward. It's a 2-speed fan. I have no idea what kind of motor that is. It's on wheels, in pretty good shape. Yeah, there's no tag, nothing, and there's no oil ports. I was really surprised to see that. No oil ports on this motor at all. But the windings inside look terrible. But it spins up. It's a 2-speed. It's got a good startup sound, I think. Go ahead and hit high first. Then low. A little bit of a wobble, but it smooths itself out. Not bad for sealed bearings. And not bad for a fan that's been sitting outside for who knows how long. This thing was filthy when I brought it home. And it, aside from a little bit of rust there and a little bit there, it cleaned up pretty well. And I just dusted it off with a rag. I really didn't try to wash it or anything. It's even got, on the bottom, it's even got the little feet. Oh, I guess I thought those were rubber. Oops, no. That's part of the case. But, it's not rusted out. In pretty good shape. We'll start off on low this time. Takes a little while for it to get going on low. There it is. Not sure what year it is. 48. It could be 84. It could be 74. I don't know. Oh, well, there you go.